Let's style hair today for hair that tends towards frizz, which is probably most of us. As you can see, my hair has got quite a bit of frizz today, so if you can kind of even see these bits here, there's just frizz everywhere. It's a rainy day here in Queensland. I blow dried and straightened my hair this morning with no products, just so that I could show you the difference between using products and not. So now I'm going to style it with some ME&MY Kiss, and I'm also going to show you a little trick with ME&MY Power Shot. We want to section our hair in quite fine sections and apply a small amount of Kiss to each section before we straighten it. You'll only need quite a small amount of Kiss, so that's probably actually even too much. Heat it up in your hands and distribute it through. And then I like to use a wide tooth comb when I'm straightening my hair because it just helps me pull the right amount of hair out in each section to run the straighteners through it. So my hair was pre-prepped with a heat protector before I blow dried it this morning, and then as I take each new section, I'm going to put a small amount of Kiss into each new section and work my way through to the top. Okay, so with your top section, you want to be very careful about putting too much Kiss too close to the roots, because you're going to have to wash your hair again within a couple of days if you go too close. So you just want to put either a very small amount or focus on what we call the mid-lengths and ends, so from roughly here down. And then I'm going to show you a little trick. I'm going to mix a little bit of Kiss with a tiny bit of Power Shot, so just the tiniest bit. Sprinkle a tiny little bit of Power Shot so that we're diluting out the Kiss a tiny little bit, and smooth through that top section. Okay, so if you feel like you need to, you can run a little bit of Kiss through at the ends, at the end of styling again as well. But as you can see, this is pretty smooth and straight, so I'm going to be heading out into the rain. I'm definitely going to get my hair wet, so then I'll come back later on today and show you how my hair has held up. So I've come back, I've been out in the rain and definitely got quite wet. As you can see, my hair has started to curl because I have naturally curly hair, but there's no frizz at all. So I'm pretty happy with how my hair has held up today, just with adding a little bit of Kiss to the routine and a tiny bit of Power Shot in there as well.